Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Richmond Estate in St. Anne, and it turns out that Richmond is actually building another phase and actually doing another development in Negril. So we will keep you guys updated on those. But today we're going to talk about the Richmond Estate development in Negril. So the developers of this development, Lee Iso, or I should say the developer, is going to do another development like this in Negril. Now, this is the number one development in Jamaica. They have 5 phases right here in Richmond in St. Anne. And they're going to be doing another phase in this same area. I'm not sure. We'll talk about that development in another video. But this development has one more phase left, and it should do very well. Now, Richmond Estate, this is a number one development in Jamaica. Draxall is based off this model. So that the new development that they're going to do in Negril will also be based off this model. Not sure if it's going to be at this high-end level, but it definitely will be a blueprint of this development. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening. That gives more information on what they're doing in Negril now. Now, can you imagine a development like this in Negril? Game changer. It would do extremely well. Alright. Elias Lee Issa, a veteran entrepreneur in Jamaica's tourism, real estate, and retail industries, has taken a significant step towards addressing Negril's housing needs. The National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) recently granted him approval to construct a multi-family residential development at Rutland Pen, located along Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril. Although specific details of the project remained under wraps, NEPA's green light signals noteworthy progress for the resort town, which continues to experience growing residential demand, especially among hospitality workers. Negril, long renowned for its pristine beaches and vibrant tourism economy, has increasingly struggled with balancing development and housing. As the tourism sector flourishes, so too does the need for affordable and accessible housing for workers who support the local economy. Issa's development has the potential to ease some of these pressures, contributing to a more sustainable urban fabric in the area. The choice of Rutland Pen for the venture is strategic. Norman Manley Boulevard is a prime artery in Negril, home to many resorts, restaurants, and commercial establishments. By locating a residential project there, Issa is not only positioning the development within easy reach of the employment centers, but also integrating it into the heart of the community. This alignment of residential and commercial development could improve both quality of life and economic efficiency for local residents. Elias Issa brings significant experience to the table. As the operator of the Couples Resorts chain, which includes 4 high-end all-inclusive properties in Negril and Ocho, he is no stranger to the intricacies of hospitality and community development. Furthermore, his previous success with Richmond Estate in St. Anne, one of Jamaica's well-regarded residential complexes, demonstrates his ability to deliver high-quality living spaces that are both functional and appealing. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think of this development, and if you think this is not the number one development in Jamaica, let us know which development is nicer than this one. Leave a comment in the section below. This could probably be the number one development in the Caribbean. I've heard people say that already, but I would go as far as to say this is the number one development in Jamaica. Alright, guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.